channel. Today we're going to learn how to knit this amazing pattern which is called Irish moss. If you really like this video, please press the subscribe button and put your thumbs up. I'd be really grateful if you supported my channel. Let's get started. If we have a closer look at this pattern, we can see that it's quite stretchy and at the same time it's really tight. That's why it's suitable for different types of scarves, sweaters and pullovers. To knit this pattern, you have to cast on a number of stitches, which is a multiple of 2. In my case, I've got 20. And our first row, we're going to begin with a stitch which we take off the left needle. I hope you remember that we do that in order to have this beautiful edge on the right. And our last stitch is always going to be a knit stitch, despite what type of stitches we're going to have before it. So we take the first stitch off the left needle and we're going to alternate one purl stitch, one knit stitch, a purl and knit, purl and knit. And we're going to do up to the end of our row. So I knit stitch my last stitch, then I turn my knitting, and I'm going to start my row with taking my first stitch off the left needle, and we're going to alternate again, starting with a purl stitch again. Purl, knit, and up to the end of the row again. And I knit stitch my last stitch again. Then I turn my knitting round, and this time I'm going, of course, to take the first stitch of the needle, but I'm going to start this time not from the purl stitch, but from the knit. So knit and purl, knit and purl, and I'm going to keep up going like that up to the end of the row. Stitch here, and our last row we are going to start from taking the first knit of the needle, and I'll knit my first stitch and purl the second one, knit and purl, knit and purl. Stitch again. So as you see, our pattern consists of 4 rows where we purl our first stitch and knit the second one, and we alternate like that up to the end of the row. We do these first 2 rows. After that, next 2 rows we start from a knit stitch. So we knit, purl, and we do like that our next 2 rows. So the pattern is really easy. Please let me know in your comments below if you coped with this task, and see you in my next videos. Bye bye!